Shaving Factory Round Neck Brush. Neck brush for barbers and beauticians. Delong Functional Shaving Set Stand for any shaving brush. Functional shaving stand used for any shaving razors and brushes. Captain Fawcett's Best Badger Shaving Brush. Captain Fawcett's traditional Best Badger shaving brush will produce a luxuriant, rich and voluminous lather, enabling the closest of wet shaves. The Captain's favored Best Badger hair shaving brush, which accompanied him on many adventurous missions, has now been faithfully reproduced and is available for the first time in over a century. Imitation ivory handle with chrome detail, beautifully handcrafted in Sheffield, England. GBS Synthetic Hair Bristle Shaving Brush enchants your. You'll love the look and the quality of the set, whether you are buying it for you or you're buying it as a gift for someone. All the accessories you need to get the best and cleanest shave possible. GBS manufactures high-end shaving tools and accessories. GBS proudly offers high-quality craftsmanship and exquisite style at an affordable price.